Hello friends, today I'm going to demonstrate about the process creation in Unix. So a new process is created because an existing process makes an exact copy of itself. So to create a process, the fork system call is used. So the created process is called the child process, and the process that creates the process is called the parent process. Now the child process has its own copy of the parent's file descriptor, and this descriptor reference the same underlying objects so that the files are shared between the child and the parent. So it is used especially for interprocess communications, and the syntax to use the child fork is int id is equal to fork. So if the fork returns the value 0, then the successful creation of child process is done. So here I have a program to create two child processes. Now I have include stdio.h, string.h, and sys of types.h. In my main function I am entering a string, I'm getting a string, and I'm getting the ID using the get PID, which is the ID of the parent process. So the parent ID is ID of 1. Now I'm creating a child process using the fork system call here. So int cid is equal to fork. Now if cid is equal to 0, so if it means if the child is created, then I'll get the ID of the child process. So int id2 is equal to get PID. So the child process ID I am displaying, and now this child process has to do a function, that is it has to convert it to the uppercase. So I'm just getting the string and converting to the uppercase using the to upper function. Otherwise I am asking it to wait. Now another child process I'm creating is similarly. So another child process I have used another fork system call, and same. So if cid is equal to 0, then I am displaying the id of the child process, and here what I am doing is the child process is displaying the string in reverse order. So after, if the child process is created successfully, so it will display the string in reverse order. So for that, temp, I'm storing temp into the index of I. So I'm shifting the value of I1 and J2, and J2 as temp, and I'm incrementing I1 and decrementing J2, where J2 is nothing but the length of the string, and I1 is initialized to 0. So while I do this, the string gets reversed. So if the child process is not created, and the process is in the waiting state. So here I have the output. So I have entered the string called hello. The parent ID is this, and the child ID is greater than the parent ID. It's one greater than the parent ID always. So here you can see the child ID is 17322, and the parent ID is 17321. So the first child is converting into the uppercase, and here is the child process ID, and it's reversing the string. And the next process, as you can see, the next process is reversing the string over here, and the first process is converting into the uppercase, and the next process is reversing the string. So this is how the fork system call is used, and this is how one parent is able to create the child processes in shell. Thanks for watching.